How to fix Outlook ribbon's font size. So here I am in the new version of Outlook. So there used to be a bug right here in the new version of the Outlook application where the ribbon's font size is either too big or too small. So that problem is fixed, but if you happen to encounter that problem or that bug again, there is a fix for that. So the fix is what you can do is that you can open the calendar in a new window. So just right click on calendar and then click open a new window. From here, now you will have two instances of Outlook open. So from here, you just need to close the other instance of Outlook. So now you just have the calendar window open right here. And then what you can do is that you can just go back to mail and then your ribbon's font size should now be fixed. So that was the previous solution for that particular bug. So if you're just wondering how to change the layout of your ribbon, you can just click this drop down button right here. So it says switch layouts. So from here, now you will have the classic version of the ribbon right here, and it has a much bigger font size. So you can just use this if you want. If you're using the web version of Outlook, here you can go ahead and use the zoom in and zoom out feature of the browser. So from here, I can press the control key in the keyboard. Then I can press the plus icon or the minus icon in the keyboard. So for example, if I click the plus icon, it will make the overall page a lot more bigger and zoomed in. But if I press the control key and then the minus button, it will zoom out the page. So as you can see, the font size of the ribbon is changing. So you can try this if you are using the browser version. So here in the application version, if you do that, what happens is that it just changes the font of the mail preview right here. And then you can just reset the zoom right here. If you're using the classic version of Outlook, so there isn't really a way to change the ribbon right here. I mean the ribbon's font size, but what you can do is that you can change the layout as well. And then you can use this drop down button right here, and either you can use the simplified ribbon or the classic ribbon right here. You can also change the look of the ribbon by enabling full screen mode. So your ribbon will only appear when you click on it. Or you can choose show tabs only. So you will just have your tabs right here in the ribbon. And then you can always go back to always show ribbon. And then that is basically it. You can also use the control key and the plus key. And then, but what will happen is that it will also just change the zoom of your email preview right here. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the ribbon font size in Microsoft Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.